Alrighty, so this is 637 10th Avenue in Salt Lake City. This is Unit B. It's the upstairs unit of this building. Come up these stairs here from the carport. This here is the front door. When you come inside here, it brings you right into the kitchen. Kitchen's got some brand new nice flooring in it. To your right hand side, you got a storage room. Plenty of storage space. Coming through the kitchen, if we take a right here, this brings you into the bathroom. Here in the bathroom, it's got a really cool little spot for doing makeup and getting ready for the day. To our right here, we've got one of the bedrooms. All the carpet is brand new. Nice big closet space. We come back through the kitchen. To our left here is the other bedroom. And this bedroom's got a fantastic sun door on it. You can open up during the summer. It's got a nice walk-in closet. And coming over here to the living room. This living room has a fantastic avenue style to it. A nice new ceiling fan. Some storage space in the living room as well. Then over here you've got this fantastic addition for a sunroom with great views of downtown. Perfect place to sit and drink a cup of coffee. Alrighty, and that's 637 10th Avenue, Unit B.